Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This June 1961 variant, question number 4. He said in the question, what? That mathematics, English, A levels marks, 1400 pupils. Okay, they taking some exams. Okay, and CF graph, common frequency graph, is given by him. And both exams are marked out of 100. But in language, we never get full marks. That is why maximum marks in English is 80. And maximum mark in mathematics 98. So what is saying here? What a question. By suitable data from these graphs to compare the central tendency, okay, and spread of the mathematical English. What does the central tendency means? Mean, median. So whenever he asks you this one, so we have to go for median part. And spread is two options we have. Spread always contains two parts: range, highest value minus lowest value, and IQ, interquartile, upper quartile minus lower quartile. So let's try to find it. So first of all, this both graph ending 1400. So total n is 1400. So I'm going for n value is 1400. So let's go for mathematics first. Maths. So what is the median, students? The median formula is very clear. So half into 1400. I got 700. So 700 not answer. 700 is a pointer. Where is 700 is this pointer. I will make for both. Okay, students. So I may extend a line because it is coming down here, here. 40. This is a median of 1. And this is coming in the middle here. Hold on. And very interesting part. Make sure this is exactly whole number. Okay, but this is not a whole number. No. Sorry, it's a whole number, but it's in the middle. You can see the middle. Okay, so this number is not exact the box, not meeting here, not meeting here. It is going in the middle of box. So that is why this number is 40. But make sure 10 divided by number of boxes are 5. So 10 by 5. If I check in calculator, I get 2 or 5. Sorry, 10 by 2 I got a 5. Sorry. 10 by 5 because 5 boxes are there. So one box is 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So I'm looking for this number. Hold on. Then what is a median marks for mathematics is a 40. This mathematics 40. So this is a 40, one answer, and the other one is a 55. Okay, that is middle. Okay, so I think I can say that this is a median. I'm writing here median. Okay, so median marks for not only one. Wait a minute. Maybe I lost or I have. Sometime it creates trouble. Yes, it's creating trouble. But no problem. I will do in no time again. So what is said that median. So median formula is very clear. I'll find for both now. So half into 1400. I got 700. And I drew 700 line here. And number 1, I'm getting here 40. And number 2, I'm getting here is 55. This line is not correct. I'll make it again. This line again. And you know one thing, a student, I tell you one thing. Because this is a diagram is given by him. So no range in the mark. No range is there. Okay, make sure. No range is there. I think this part is clear. So what is the median for both? For mathematics, median is coming here. Is what? 40. And English, 55 marks. Okay, this is done. Now let's talk about what is the next part is asking. Median is done. Now I'm going for the range. Range for the both values. What is the range of the mathematics? So I'm ranging, finding here, range. Range for mathematics, this is the highest value range is 98. And the lowest value mathematics is a 0. So 98 minus 0. So I can find directly. So range is what? So mathematics range is very simple. Math is a 98 minus 0. So 98. And English is, this point is very clear, is 80. And this is here 20. So 80 minus 20 becomes 60. I write directly. So English is 60. So I think the idea is very clear. And now I'm going for the interquartile of both. So interquartile of English of math I'm finding here now. So wait a minute, please. I better to shift English here. Okay. And maths on the other side. So let's find it, the interquartile of the maths. How to find? So upper quartile, let's find first of all. All of you know upper quartile formula is what? 3/4. So upper quartile is 3/4 of 1400. So 3/4 of 1400, if you check it carefully, of 1400, it is becoming 1050. So 1050 is where? 1050. So 1050 is 1000. It means the middle of that. So you look at here. It is exactly here. Okay, I am finding both same time. This is exactly, these are, both are exact numbers. So I check it now. What is upper quartile? Here this is called median. This is called upper quartile. And English upper quartile is very clear. This is the one box here. If I go down, so 62. 62. So upper quartile for English is 62. So I'm writing a upper quartile of English 62. So upper quartile of English is 62. Okay, I got this value. And what is upper quartile of mathematics? So upper quartile of mathematics. Mathematics is very simple. I'll check here. 80. So no, this is not a correct line. Okay, 80. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Let's talk about lower quartile. What is the lower quartile formula, students? We had 3/4, now 1/4. So what is the 1/4 of 1400? This is becoming a 350. 350 is where? 350 is here. Okay, no need for go further. Just stop here only. Okay, this is LQ, lower quartile. One point is meeting here. I'm coming down here. So this is a 12. And one point is meeting here down here. This becoming with us is a 42. Okay, so this interquartile. So I'm sorry, lower quartile. Lower quartile for English. So for English is lower quartile is 42. And lower quartile of mathematics is coming is 12. Okay, 12. Now I'm finding IQ. Interquartile of this one, just subtract them. I got 20. And interquartile of mathematics, if you subtract them, you got a 80 minus 12 become 68. Okay, so I think student you can get from here. He was asking what is suitable. So median. So I'm writing an answer finally here. One statement I'm writing here. All right, get ready. Median. Median for the English and math, you can compare them. English has a bigger median. So you can write that median of English is more. Median of English is higher. Is higher. So this called central tendency, okay, is higher than maths. So this is central tendency, okay? So central is median because when you say, okay, this first part done, second two. So he said the spread. When he says spread of mathematics marks, so he asked about two things. Range mathematics is bigger as compared to English. Number one. Second number, IQ is 68, IQ is 20. So we can say spread of mathematics is more. Spread of mathematics or maths is more or higher than English. And I think you understand what I'm saying. That's it. And question is completely over. So whenever a central tendency he asks you next time, so make sure he asking median. And when he says spread he asking for, he asks two things, interquartile and the range. And concept is clear.